The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, bucket seats, passenger airbag, CD player, MP3 player, power windows, power door locks, security system, rear head airbag, auxiliary audio input, cloth seats, heated mirrors, steel wheels, tires, front all season. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.